Let's now take you to Parliament. Parliament is amending the standing orders to accommodate decisions made by state offices with some executive powers and other bodies that Kenya is a member.
Now, the Clerk of the National Assembly Samuel Njoroge says that the amendment will see such decisions debated by Parliament before being implemented in Kenya.
He was addressing members of Parliament at commencement of the 2026 legislative retreat for members of the National Assembly in Naivasha.
Why would cabinet ministers of other countries be deciding on the import duty for Kenyans? Therefore, that's a role that has been given to the National Assembly moving forward. We'll be therefore introducing it in our standing orders. But before that, we'll be sensitizing the National Treasury, the Ministry of Trade, the East Africa Community, to bring the instruments to the House, probably ahead of the finance bill, so that they can be considered.